Hello friends, you're welcome back again to my channel. My name is Geraldine. I live in Norway and I bring you lots of yummy recipes, African Nigerian recipes. I'm African, I'm Nigerian, so my cooking is kind of very influenced by my African taste. So that is what you expect on my channel. Thank you for joining me today as I take you on another yummy episode. Guys, today I'm back with another recipe, like old recipe reproposal video. What I mean by that is doing something we did the last time with our meat pie, leftover meat pie filling, like giving you something you can do with your leftovers, okay? No wastage, like 0% wastage, right? Yeah. So today I'm going to be telling you what you can do with your leftover pepper soup. Let's get in, okay? And we'll talk as we cook. So here is our leftover pepper soup, which is like the bone of contention in this video, right? Yeah, I'll leave the link to the original recipe at the end of this video. So we'll need to refresh it with these plantains, and I'm just going ahead now too. Of course, they are already washed, so I peeled the back and sliced into that sizable pieces. Okay, you don't want to slice it to be really tiny, or you wouldn't like it. The bigger the better. And there's this saying when we were growing up that like older porridges taste better, and I confirmed it with this recipe. You know, there was this song we used to sing growing up. They say yam porridge hot, yam porridge cold, yam porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old. I've forgotten the rest of the lyrics, but yeah, not like anyone would want to leave their porridge to be 9 days old before eating them, but like the saying that the next day it tastes better, you know, is so true with this particular recipe I'm sharing with you right now. So as soon as the plantain comes to a boil, which is like within 2-3 minutes, I went ahead to pour in the leftover pepper soup sauce. Yeah, you can see that's very creamy because it's coming out from the fridge. So we'll allow it to come to a boil, which is like enough time to get it to melt down. Then we're going to stir it together and taste for salt. Okay, is already spiced up, but you might need to add a little bit more salt if you need to, according to your taste. Then I went ahead to add a few drops of some oil I scooped off my tomato stew, just for that extra fresh flavor, and I covered it to cook so that the plantain cooks very well. Okay, at this point, which is like in about 8-10 minutes, I went ahead to garnish with some fresh scent leaves. Okay, so remember whatever vegetable you used in making your original pepper soup, and remember to add a fresh one to this one when you are repurposing it. Okay, yes, so that's what I did. I made mine with scent leaf and otazi, and I decided to add a little bit more scent leaf today, just to add that little bit of freshness to it. Okay, my friends, that was it for our today's video. I hope it was worth your while. Did I mention I only cook Nigerian and African dishes? No, it doesn't end with that, but that's majorly what I do on my channel. So when you get to watch cake recipes and some Oyibo recipes as well, don't be confused. It's part of what I do, but I do majorly our native dishes. Okay, guys, so thanks for joining me today. I appreciate you all. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Hello, you're welcome back.